What's up, CGC fam? Car Guy Court here with my dude Jeremy Barrett from The Life of Jeremy Barrett. If you haven't yet subscribed to his channel, make sure you go over and check that out. The link will be down below.
I greatly appreciate it.
This was used, right?
Yeah.
I think I seen it on the website.
It's an 18 Hellcat wide body with the manual transmission. It looks all right with the black hood.
Yeah.
You gotta.
Come on, Coop. We just started. I know, bro. I have to go.
Who?
It's this tournament, like a Call of Duty. So like you and you team up with a group, and then like you play different groups. It's like a whole bracket.
And remember, don't skip these ads.
That's right. Oh yeah, because you monetize.
Yeah, that's
big congratulations, thing. Man.
So
turn
yeah.
your hair down, make it a little bit better for your video.
Yeah. So don't skip them ads, and yeah, keep watching. Watch the whole video if you enjoy it. If not, I guess don't. But we're gonna have some good footage coming. A lot of videos. I got a lot of videos coming. So.
Just put it like this: if you're watching the video, you must enjoy something, so you might as well just watch it all the way through, because you never know, you might miss out on the best part of the video. So that's why you gotta stay tuned. You gotta keep watching the video. Don't be hitting that button on the side trying to skip through 10 seconds now. Just gotta watch the whole thing and let it roll, man. Absolutely. Support the people that you support, you know what I mean? If you're watching the video, support them.
Absolutely. I always, you know, when I started out watching your videos, which was before I even had a channel, and I always watched because you always had like some positive shit at the end of the video, you know, like you always do. So I do that as well, and I have a lot of people that are like my, you know, the people that always watch and always check it out. So I always watch to the end of his, because I want to see that, you know, it's motivation to me. You know, being positive and going after what you want in life isn't easy. It's not easy. If it was easy, everybody'd be doing it, right?
Facts.
So you know, you need a little bit of motivation each day to kind of help keep you positive and keep you with your eye on the prize, so to speak. And I've been super busy, so you know, I haven't put up a lot of videos, but that's all changing, because I've got several videos now. I got a lot of footage, and I'll be editing those. And putting up at least 2 a week, but there may be some weeks where I do 3. So I dropped one on Wednesday. I'm gonna drop another one today. So
that's right. You just gotta stick with the process, man. Nobody gonna put up videos every single day, and if they do put them up every single day, they are missing some days here and there, because life is life, you know. So
yeah, and so I greatly appreciate everybody that helped me get to the 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers, man.
That's huge.
That's unbelievable.
That's huge. Congratulations again, brother.
Thanks. It's crazy to think that people sat and watched me for 4,000 hours. Like, you know,
it is for you when you think about it, because you didn't, when you started, you have them. Everybody has it when they started. When they started YouTube, you have this thing where it's like, oh, can I do it? Can I not? Will people watch me? Will people not? You know, but then when you see that you can do it, it builds up that confidence for you to keep going. And just like I always tell my people, like, I motivate people, but the people that watch me motivate me to do what I want to do and be who I want to be, because y'all push me, y'all watch me, y'all give me the energy, y'all feed me what I need, all that positivity I need, y'all feed me. That's why I feed y'all the same thing, because that's what you're supposed to do, you know? And that's why whenever I'm with people and they talk about wanting to do one, hey, I'll help you. But you gotta show me you put in the footwork. You put in the footwork, then I'll help you. I ain't got no problem helping anybody, you know?
Yeah.
So
it's all about, and it's all about helping each other. And since the day that you and I met, we've kicked it and helped each other, and you've been a big help and motivator, you know, to the channel.
Definitely. So friends do, man.
Yeah, but I'm ready to get on some next level shit.
That's right.
I'm ready to get me, you know, in the 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, and keep going from there. You know, obviously the sky's the limit, but you know, getting the email from YouTube that said, hey, we've accepted you as a partner, like, because they don't just take everybody, like, they watch your stuff.
They watch, make sure you're doing appropriate things.
Yeah, and so, like, it even says, like, just because you hit these things doesn't mean, like, you're gonna get to be monetized or whatever. It was like a whole nother level of motivation, right? So I was like, cool.
Right.
You know, it showed me some value, like, that I have some value, my channel has some value, and that, you know, I know there's people out there that rock with me, but, you know, I just need to expand and get more people in the CGC fam.
That's right.
So
that's why you gotta go to that Texas thing.
I'm gonna try.
That's a big show, man.
I'm surprised I think they're gonna cancel it.
I hope not. I hope not. But anything else you want to tell your people?
No. I'm gonna get to teaching this guy how to drive a manual transmission Hellcat. Also, you'll see the walk around here coming up and all those things. If you are interested, if you want to buy a manual Hellcat, you can come see this at Air Park Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Scottsdale, Arizona, off Frank Lloyd Wright. That's all.
Get you one.
So just give it a little bit of gas and just, yeah, like a little more. Yeah, you're good. If you gotta do that a little bit, not to kill it, it is what it is. That's how I started learning. We'll get over here a little more, get a little close. I'm teaching my dude how to drive manual. He's nervous as hell over here, man, but he's doing good. Yeah. He's doing good. Man. This is how everybody starts off, dude. Man. There's no clutch burning, right?
You know, it would be so bad if I knew this wasn't a Hellcat, but like, knowing this is a Hellcat and like I'm learning on this thing is.
We don't have the red key, so we're not going full out. We're being safe, right? We're making. We didn't come in here putting the red key, putting it in track mode, all that. So we're on the black key.
Okay.
500 horse. You're doing good. Over. Yep. You downshifted again.
God damn it.
It's all good. Just kind of up and to the right. It'll flow right in once you find it. He did kill it once, though.
I did do
Only
that.
once. That's not bad.
Fuck that fifth gear, man. I'm about to stay in fourth.
I just made him. I'm like, bro, just go.
Shit. That goddamn shit's scary, man. Golly. I keep going in the third. I don't know how. I'm like trying to get a thing to go.
Get up to like 3,500 RPMs and then just put it up and over all the way. It's not going to go into reverse because it won't while you're driving.
Okay.
So just push it over and up.
3,500 RPMs?
Yeah, or 4. It doesn't matter. Just there. Now go. Now. There you go.
Look at that shit.
Yeah.
Let's go, boy.
Give me some.
Hell yeah, driving this goddamn manual. Who said I can't drive a manual? Shit me. God damn it.
I told you could, bro.
Woo, that first gear though, I ain't gonna lie, that first gear, man.
Yeah, it's no good.
That thing's crazy, y'all.
That's the hardest part. For those of you that don't know how to drive a manual, taking off is the most difficult. Other than that, it's just putting it in gear.
So then downshifting, how
You don't have to really downshift. Until you get better at it, you can just hold the clutch and come to a stop. You know what I mean? Like,
right. Pump it in neutral.
Yeah.
See, like that's what I always. My mom drove them, and she said she never downshift. She just throws it in neutral.
Yeah.
And then like when she's about to take off, if she's like not at a full stop, she'll put it in second.
Yeah.
And go.
Yeah. You can, if you're still rolling, you can just put it in second and keep going. That's because nobody likes taking off in a manual, dude. Until you get used to it, like you seen me driving. Like I learned how to drive on a manual. My dad was like, "You're gonna learn how to drive on a manual." I was 11 years old, so like he'd take me out on the country roads, and I would just drive.
God damn, that shit don't hurt your foot though, man.
With a clutch?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
God damn,
it's different.
Oops, sorry.
You're good. A brake check.
Brake check.
They work. Shit works, all of it. So, you seen it.
This is scary, man.
Teaching him how to drive.
I hate first gear. So,
we're gonna do one more first gear, and then I'm gonna shut this bad boy off. Let off. There you go.
Woo, that was probably my best one.
Yeah, that was smooth. All right, CGC fam. I'll see ya.
Gang.
All right, CGC fam. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me teaching my guy Jeremy how to drive a manual transmission. It was pretty funny. He was getting real nervous, but at the end of the day, he did a good job. You know, he was definitely a lot better than most people when they start. But he's been driving cars. You know, he's got a Hellcat. He's got the supercharged Durango. He's got all the. He drives a lot. You know, he's a car guy. So I knew that he would get it down pretty good. But comment down below if you enjoyed the video. Also give it a fat thumbs up, and make sure if you haven't done so yet that you subscribe to Car Guy Court. Just hit that subscribe button, baby, and please don't skip them ads. But anyways, Car Guy Court out with another video. Love you, CGC fam.